stingray day. Lots of stingrays cruising by. See these people? They're looking at the stingray. Ooh, they're going right for them. Watch out for this. Oh, get out of the way. You know the stingrays, they don't really hurt you because they take off when they get near you, but they look scary. This guy's checking them out with a beer in hand. There's a couple more, a little more offshore. Let me turn this way. Oh, here comes one. Let's go down here. See if we can't get a close look. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. There's a good one to add to the list. Oh, I just realized this one is alive. I looked at it, and there he is in there. I don't know if you can see it. So I am going to put him back in. And hopefully, I don't want to toss him into the water, so I'm just going to set him right back in. Oh, here comes 3 stingrays. Look at there, 3 of them cruising by. Guess it's about 15 feet off the edge. Hope you can see that. Now 2 are coming in the other direction. Right there. Sanibel stingrays. It looks like they're chewing on things on the bottom. They stop, like this one stopped for a minute. They follow each other, I guess. Oh, nice. Oh, here's a great shell, too. Let's check this one out. Let's see what we have here. Ooh. Perfect. And this one's not alive. Watch out for the stingrays. Shells and stingrays. Right here on Sanibel. Actually, oh, look at them all. Okay, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and there's another group of 4 out in front. I gotta watch out behind. Oh, he's coming right towards me. He's coming towards me. Watch out, Mr. Stingray. Oh, he went around me. Look at this. So much nature. Wow. Waves coming in. Bye, fellas. Have a nice swim.